Hey guys, it's Patriot Gaming and welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the 1974 Porsche 911 Turbo 3, which is another LEGO Speed Champions. Here is a 360 of the box. Alright, so on the back we have a rear view of the car, a front view of the car, a view of the car, the minifig and some cones you get, and a picture of the real life car along with the Porsche logo. So let's get into it. So we have one bag, second bag, third bag, the instruction booklet, and stickers if I can get them out. Stickers. And there's nothing else in the box. Alright, I will get started on building it. Alright guys, so here's the completed 1974 Porsche 911 Turbo 3.0. Here is a 360 of it. As you can see, I put the little minifigure in here with this helmet. With this set, you also get the hair for the minifigure because you can switch between the helmet and regular hair. And then you also get these 3 little cones. They're all the same. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you want more LEGO Speed Champions content or regular LEGO content. And comment down below if you want a overview of the cars I've built so far on the channel. Alright guys, cheers.